Okay, so I found a dry ball joint noise for you to hear, and all we're going to do is listen to the noise. He's going to mention that the the boot is cracked and that the grease comes out, and he's not wrong, but he doesn't mention that water gets in. Once the grease comes out, water gets in, creates rust, and and then it makes this noise. So this noise is really squeaky. You'll hear it, back and forth like dry park tests they talk about on today's class. You'll hear this from this car right here. I'm gonna play it. So listen. It's really loud. And you can hear it really good because he's right next to the building. He's next to the building.
A dry ball joint, and I had it before. This time was my upper ball joint. This time, and then last time was my lower one.
So you can see he's got a crack in the boot, and he's going to talk about we don't have to watch the rest of it, but the grease comes out. He's right. There's not that much grease in these because they don't have a zerd in them anymore. It's usually Teflon coated parts in the inside. The bushing is, but that's the main thing, is that water gets in and it rusts the ball socket out, and then it makes this weird noise. So he took this all apart and he's going to change the ball joint. That's basically what he does, but not in this video. But I just wanted you to hear the noise.